Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe. If you want to see a continuation of these updates that have pretty much been bringing all year long, continue supporting and of course hit that red subscribe button. But if you're looking across the market, you're seeing pretty much the overall market still in red. But what you're starting to see is over the course of the last 1 hour specifically, let's actually take a look at it on the hourly time frame, you're seeing a lot of coins actually going back into the green. Reason as to why this is the case is because Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a reversal within its price, nothing too major. Bitcoin dominance in return also went up, but you're seeing some coins turning into the green. As far as Pepe is concerned, it's down about 5.7% over the past 1 week. Over the past 24 hours. It's also down about 5% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative if you pay attention to those comparatives. The price is currently sitting at 7441, still 5 zeros in front of the price. Market cap at 3.13 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is just below the $1 billion mark. Let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at and what we could be expecting. But before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you're pretty much looking at the holder count increasing pretty much day by day by day. And that hasn't changed. And we've been noticing this trend for quite some time. So this is a good plus point. Still shows that accumulation is occurring, and people are adding Pepe into their portfolios. Anyhow, if you're looking at the overall meme coin market, guys, the overall meme coin market is down about 3%. Looking across the market, pretty much everything right now seems to be down, except a few handful coins that are here and there that are up. But pretty much the overall market has been seeing a pullback over the course of the last 24 hours as well as the last 1 week alone. So speaking about the last 1 week alone, Pepe is down about 13.2%. But if you're looking at the big boys right now, you're seeing them holding much better. So what exactly is going on? If you know anything, if you have some thoughts, let me know in the comments regarding that. So if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, and again, if you do watch all my videos, you guys know what's happening with the dominance index. It actually did make its way down to 56.63% yesterday after the CPI news, but it's making its way back up. And not only is it making its way back up, Bitcoin is also making its way back up, but nothing too crazy in terms of Bitcoin's price. It is in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and this is pretty much like the last support if you want to pretty much look at it from that point of view, because if you lose this support, guys, we could see more downside. And actually we did see that target being retested at $56,118, which I spoke to you guys about in my last update. And since then, the price has been able to reclaim back above the 23.6, so that is obviously nice to see. But we're still on the neckline. Anything can happen, so we still need to be cautious around here as far as Bitcoin price is concerned. Now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe right now. So looking at Pepe right now, guys, you are still seeing the price hanging below the key resistance. And pretty much now, if you're looking at my updates from August 4th, since the month has started, there's one specific thing that I've been talking about in each update, and that is the fact that we need to see the price sitting at 8218 zone. That is a very, very key resistance mark. Now, it is about a 10% move from the current price levels. Usually, we do tend to see these moves happening quite fast for Pepe because, of course, it's a meme coin. Tends to go up much faster, and, the hype factor is still around there. Narrative is still down there. So, I don't think it's going to be a hard time for able to reclaim above here, but it's extremely important that it does get its way back above this key resistance. But with that said, where is the price of Pepe currently sitting at? And again, Pepe right now is currently sitting at some key, and yes, I repeat, key support level. And if this support does not hold, a retest down to the 72.87 is a very, very realistic target to be looking out for, potentially even the 6,400. And again, if you want to put these prices into perspective, a potential 13.4% drop. What would happen is if Bitcoin does not hold the 23.6 tomorrow, goes lower into the weekend, and dominance shoots up, honestly speaking, this could be a realistic target that we could actually end up seeing. But in a grand scheme of things, obviously if you're looking at it from at the beginning of the year, you're still up quite a bit, especially to the people that bought it at the beginning of the year. I just want to give you guys a quick reminder. So January 1st, if you bought it back then, you're still up 450%. And you're noticing a little bit of a trend as well, especially on the daily time frame, this upwards trajectory that it's forming. So you can clearly see that the price of Pepe is still in this upwards trend, and I do believe that it has the capability of actually pulling towards new all-time highs. But we cannot ignore what's happening with the broader market, and this is why it's so important to lock those profits in. And I continuously told you guys around this range, which was just literally 2 weeks ago, that guys, don't get greedy, do lock in profits, because I'm still not buying this move for Bitcoin. And look what happened. Bitcoin's making its way back below to these levels, and again, we're seeing manipulation pretty much happening at its all-time level in terms of yearly time frames. We haven't seen this much volatility within the price of Bitcoin for the year of 2024, and you're seeing that really happening right now. But let's take it one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think, and what are your price projections regarding Pepe. And yeah guys, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and come join the Crypto ZX army. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow. Stay safe out there. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.